given y equal to f of x, for us to differentiate the function f of x by first principle, we are going to make use of dy on the x is equal to the limit as delta x goes to 0. This delta x is a small increment on the x-axis of f of x plus delta x minus f of x all over delta x. We know that this dy on the x here is the same as the f of x all over the x. So we are differentiating the function f of x with respect to x. Let's take, for example, e.g. y is equal to 4x plus 2, find dy on the x by, this is first principle, by first principle. So I'll state it by the side, this is first principle. Now for us to differentiate the function y equal to 4x plus 2, first we know that we are going to write y as y equal to f of x. In this case, our f of x will simply be equal to 4x plus 2. The next thing, we need to find f of x plus delta x. It simply means in the function f of x, anywhere we see x, we are going to replace x with x plus delta x. So this will be equal to 4 times x plus delta x plus 2. Next, if we expand the brackets, this will give us 4x plus 4 delta x plus 2. Next thing, now we need to find f of x plus delta x minus f of x. This will simply be equal to 4x. We know f of x plus delta x is 4x plus 4 delta x plus 2 minus f of x. f of x is 4x plus 2. This will give us 4x plus 4 delta x plus 2. Negative 1 times 4 gives us negative 4x. Negative 1 times 2 gives us negative 2. This will simply be equal to 4x minus 4x will cancel. 2 minus 2 gives 0. So we'll be left with 4 delta x. Now we can find dy on the x. dy on the x will simply be equal to the limit as delta x turns to 0 of, we know f of x plus delta x minus f of x is simply 4 delta x all over, we are going to divide by delta x. So this will simply be equal to the limit as delta x turns to 0. You will see that delta x will cancel delta x here. We'll be left with 4. The limit as delta x turns to 0 of 4. 4 is a constant which is independent of delta x. In this case, the limit as delta x goes to 0 of 4 will simply be equal to 4. We conclude, therefore dy on the x will simply be equal to 4. The derivative of y equal to 4x plus 2 by first principle will simply be equal to 4. That's how we differentiate functions by first principle. Thank you for watching.